Welcome. In this episode, we will be doing the assembly of the steering wheel column for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get assembling. Welcome G-Tex Design. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be creating assembly SA201, the steering wheel assembly. Let's open that assembly MMGS. We're going to bring in part 201 first. Before we do, go view, hide show, and hide show, thank you, origins. And we want to bring in this one first. Let's just click that one in there. Beautiful. Let's turn that back off. Beautiful. Okay, so now we want to bring in, let's just click this pin here, that way we can keep it on there. So we've got steering box. Let's go full on that one. Beautiful. Steering box top 204. Steering box top bush. Steering spindle and steering wheel. That should be everything. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yep, that's everything. So turn that off. Yeah, that beautiful. Okay, so now this has got to match that. So if we go to see the angle part, so if we go mate, click that side. With that side, it's going to light that beautifully. We click this edge here and this edge here. They'll slope it correctly. Now if we go, this edge here, missed. Don't know how I missed, but missed. That's there, and there you go. Locked in beautifully. So we need, so now this one here has got to go in. So this edge here will go in the small section there. And the large edge will go, not there, but there. And then this top here will go on the bottom part there. There we go. Let me just okay that, so that way it locks all those dimensions in place. All those, sorry, mates in place. So now we want to put this bush in. So make that, this cylinder part with that cylinder part. This is, oh, what happened there? Oh, that's weird. I did get it out there, so I don't know what happened there. So that's part there. Oh, we can get through here, cool. That part there, so then that's there, beautiful. Now we want this rod here, or the steering rod, to fit in there, which does beautifully. And this edge here will match up with this edge right there. Okay, let me just finalize that, mate. Just lock everything in position. Now we want the steering wheel on top of there. So, mate, that steering wheel there will mate, circle there, beautiful. This top here will mate, mate the bottom there, and that's all we need. Steering wheel turns. So technically the whole thing will turn, you know. It is turn, you can see it turn there, but technically when you put another there, when you turn that, it's going to turn that, so that's good. Doesn't go all the way through, that's fine. That's fine, that works out good. So, alright, that's assembly SA201 done for the steering column. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, click the like button, subscribe, comment, I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.